G'day scrappers and all gold lovers. Another teardown video for you, the Tom Tom. And I've got lots of these. I think I've got about 4 or 5 that keep getting given to me. So they must be rubbish. I think, I don't know, they must play up. Otherwise why would I keep getting so many? I've kept 1 or 2 myself so that I could use it. Assuming that sometimes people just give me things because they don't use it anymore. I don't know. But I definitely can afford to tear this one down. So it's got a cord. It had a different one that came out at a right angle, but I've used it for something else. This is the same fitting cord. So got gold pins in there and a bit of copper wire. This goes in my data cable bucket, and then I've got gold pins in there. So to start with, and then now I've got to try and work out how to pull this apart. There's no screws anywhere, so I'm guessing that the front section clips on. So I'll get into that and we'll see what's in there. Alright, so the first thing I've noticed by opening up is some gold on there, which is always nice to find. Usually there's a little IC chip on these ribbons, but I can't see one on this one. And then sometimes where it tears off the screen there's also some gold. But that's a nice thing to see straight off the bat. And is there gold in there? There possibly could be. I'll have to have a closer look. So now I've got some screws to undo. Looks like there's gold here, gold there. Don't know what that is. Oh, it's a white plug. Gold there. MLCC. There will be gold in there for sure, because that's where the ribbon came from. And to my knowledge, there's a saying, gold meets gold. There'll be gold pins in there. There'll probably be gold pins in this plug here. Gold there. Those little clip things, whatever they do, I don't know what they do. I see them on mobile phones a lot. Might be some gold pins in that little thing there. There's another one of these gold clip. I cannot understand what they do. So looking good so far. So I'll start taking these screws out and hopefully get a nice surprise. I bet there's some good stuff on the other side too. Right, I'll do that. Alrighty, so I took this ribbon off. There was no gold at the other end, only this end. But that's okay, it's a nice bit of gold. Took this wire off, and there is gold in there. And also on this end here, it's a little microphone, I do believe, or a speaker. It looks like there might be some gold. And I can't get the focus. There's some gold in there. And I've taken all the tin off the boards. So on this side here, we've got a nice, 3 nice BGAs. We've got gold border oscillator. We've got some MLCCs. That looks like another tiny little BGA. There'll be silver under that switch. Plenty of MLCCs. Some nice big ones there. Another BGA, or that could be an IC chip. I'll probably put that one in the IC chips. And maybe another BGA, I'm not sure what that is. Another gold border oscillator. Still puzzles me why phones and these have those gold tabs. Don't know what they're supposed to do. There is gold in that pin there. There is gold on that plug. I pulled it out before and had a look, stuck it back in, so there'll be gold in both of those. I forgot to get this tin off. There'll be gold in there. I know there's gold in that plug as well. Bit of wire there I missed. Now on the back, IC chip, some nice MLCCs. Another IC chip down there. And there's something up here which puzzles me. This thing here. I have no idea what this block is, and I've actually saved about 4 of these so far. I'm hoping and thinking that they got silver in them. I've actually put them in with my silver contacts, the ones I've saved so far. If anybody knows what that is, and if anyone knows what's in it, could you please let me know? I don't really care what it does. I'm more interested in whether or not it's got silver in there or anything good. So I may end up doing a video on them one day if I get enough. But if someone knows, I'd sure like to find out what it is and what's it got inside it. But that's it for the board. There's nothing else on the case, it's just rubbish. There was a speaker there, it's on this side, and a battery there. And so just this board, not a bad little pull apart. I guess that's probably a medium to high grade board as far as small boards go. Another little, did I count that one before? A little gold board oscillator, not sure. Lots of MLCCs. So there you go, another little teardown video. Hope you liked it. Keep in touch, there's more to come.